Good students, today I will teach you about interest compounded half yearly. Okay, before it I have taught you about interest compounded annually, but here we study about interest compounded half yearly. Okay, in this case, if the principal be P and rate are percent per annum and time equal to T years given. Suppose of this, okay, if interest compounded half yearly, not in annually, compounded half yearly. In this case, we calculate the half yearly related problem. In this case, rate divided by 2 and time multiplied by 2. Rate divided by 2, then convert half year from annually, and when time multiplied by 2, then year convert into time is half year, convert into half year, not year. Okay, here is time is year and rate per annum, but here in the case of half yearly, rate divided by 2 to convert half yearly, and time multiplied by 2, T multiplied by 2, then year convert into half year. Okay, here installment means kist. In this case, we pay amount installments in 6 months. Okay, 6 months installment we pay the amount, or we pay amount installment wise, or say in Hindi किस्त वाइज. हम अमाउंट को किस्त वाइज पे करते हैं. इस स्थिति में रेट को 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं और टाइम को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. ओके, ऑन दिस बेसिस आई गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल which is thus: find the compound interest on ₹10,000 for 1 and 1/2 years at rate 8% per annum. Okay, but compounded half yearly. Here P is equal to ₹10,000 given 10,000 and rate is equal to 8% per annum, but convert into half yearly, then divide by 2, then convert is equal to half year. Okay, here calculate 2 4 8, we get here 4%, half year. Okay, and time and time is equal to time t is equal to and time 2 years, no, time 1 and 1 by 2 years, 1 and 1 by 2 years is equal to 3 by 2 years, but it this time convert into half yearly year time, then time multiplied by 2, then it convert into half year. Okay, 2 cancel 2, we get here is equal to 3 half year. Okay, then therefore calculate it by the formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n. N is the time period. Okay, here P 10,000 into 1 plus R 4%, here 4 by 100 power n, n is equal to 3. Here we get 3 time in half yearly. Here calculate 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja. We get 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 25 power 3. Okay, then here 25 plus 1 26 upon 25 to the power 3. Okay, here this expand, on expanding this we get, on expanding its we get 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25 into 26 upon 25. Okay, here 25 4 ja 100 and here multiply 100, we get 25 4 ja. Okay, here we get 4 into 4, we get 16 into 26 into 26 into 26 divided by 25. Okay, here 16 into 26 into 26, here we get 576 into 26 upon 25. We get here 16 into 576 into 26, we get 17 into 576. Okay, upon 25. And after this calculations we get 17 into divide by 25. 16 multiply 17 into 576, we get 28 2,81,216 upon 25. Okay, we get here during the calculation we get 11 okay, 25 divide of this number we get 11,248.64 रुपए. Okay, this is the amount. Okay. After this, when we get amount 11,248.64, then compound interest CI is equal to A minus P. Okay. Here we get 1124.8.64 minus 10,000. Okay, we get here compound interest is equal to 1248.64. Okay, student, which is the answer? Which is the answer? 1248.64 rupees is the compound interest. Okay, student, on this basis you can solve other problem which is related half yearly compound interest. Okay. After this, next problem I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, students? Thank all of you.